been a long day waving. Like how the fuck is shit on 360? Nigga, I brush all day. Ain't no competition. It's just me in the mirror.
Share what I got going. This ain't a fresh rag. This is just, you know. Come on. Come on. Definitely. Teach y'all young bucks how to get waves. Shit easy, man. If you ain't got shit going on in your life, you just brush over there, you should still be spinning. I ain't gonna lie, for a part of my life, that shit going on. So, watching a movie, brush. In the car driving, brush. You can brush whenever, like, no matter what I'm doing. I'm standing in line about to get some groceries, I'm brushing. Shit's just spinning. So, boom. To be honest, to get your shit spinning, you really gotta brush, moisturize, and pay attention to detail. There's 3 things that you wanna do. There ain't nothing really more that you gotta do. And brush the shit out of your hair. So for real. So, boom. I just get the brushing. To be honest, I ain't really mastered the crown area. To be honest, for a while I didn't care about the crown, but don't get it twisted. I can get that crown right. I just don't care too much about it, and it's different strokes for different folks. Like some people care a lot about their crown, go hard with their crown, and then there's people who just want to have waves. And you know, as I progress with my waves and I see the beauty in it every day, I start to care about more parts of it, like forks. When I first started with my waves, I didn't really care about forks. I'm not gonna lie. Forks was like the least of my worries, because I'm like, if I got waves, what am I worried about? But then I started watching these other guys on YouTube and stuff like that, and they're talking about forks and all this other terminology. And I'm like, hold on. Excuse me. I'm like, hold on, that's what that is. It's called a fork. I'm like, alright. You know, you don't want to have forks, you don't want to have that. And I'm not gonna lie. I used to wave back in like 2010. Back in 2010, I was really goated. Keep it 100 with you, I was goated. Still goated. Niggas don't got waves like me still, respectfully. Shit's a spin. As soon as you start, you don't need to walk. Keep it on. All you need to do is brush your hair so your hair gets to understanding, like, yo, every time this guy brushes me, I lay down. Like, just keep training it. Boom, boom, boom. When I first started, I might put a picture somewhere over here. When I first started, like, the first probably couple weeks, my hair was wavy, but like there was no pattern, like there was no consistent lines. And when I get my connections perfect, it's really over with. Like, look it up. Dumb waves. In the spot of my head without wave. You ain't got no brush, you ain't got no pomades, you ain't got no moisturizer. What's the first thing you do? Go to the store, you get your first brush. Your first brush could be a Walmart brand, an off brand, like, this is one of my favorite brushes. It ain't got no name, I don't know what the name of it is, I don't know if it even has a name. It's just a curved brush. It's like a softy medium, but it's a curved brush, no label. And this is one of my top brushes that I have. Don't matter what brush you have, get a brush and just start brushing it. What does exist is you might run across a brush that is your favorite brush and you end up brushing your hair more with this brush than this brush. You feel me? So like, it's like a psyche thing. Like I go buy a brush and I love this brush. Guess what? I love it so much, it's always in my hair. Now I'm brushing more than I used to because I got this new brush. That's the only thing about brushes. And then there's just gonna be brushes with better bristles that might work better for your hair. I like boar bristles because it gives me that pull. I love the pull. I like when I feel like my waves are moving. I don't like a brush that just feels like it's just going over my hair. Because then it's like, I feel like I'm wasting my time. If you listen to me, you're gonna be dumb wavy out here. Respectfully. My hair's trained, it's not going nowhere. My hair is loyal. Brushing your hair creates loyalty to the hair. Nigga, anybody can get waves. Brush your fucking hair, stop being lazy, and always put a do-rag on. Always. Shit. But yeah, get yourself a brush. I say any brush if you can. If you have options, curved brush with the point at the top. Just cause you get in spots like this and go crazy, feel me? But like, you get your little wolf session in, wolf 4 weeks. The longest I ever wolfed, like recently, was probably like 6 weeks. You don't have to get a cut every 6 weeks. You can literally get a cut 6 weeks, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks. Like, it doesn't matter really. Like, I feel like wolfing comes with how much time you put in, because I could wolf for 6 months. If that whole 6 months I wasn't going hard, it was a pointless wolf. So it just goes on to like how long you want to manage the wolf. Like if I want to go 3 weeks, best believe that 3 weeks I'm going hard, because guess what? I look ugly as shit and I want to get this hair off of me. And I want when this hair gets off of me that I look good. That's it, that's all. You know how to get perfect waves? You don't have to have perfect waves to teach niggas. I got waves, that's what everybody wants. You want wave. To be elite, you gotta put in time. So guess what? When you see my shit spinning whole D, just know I'm putting in a lot of work. Also, I forgot to tell y'all, about to make a new Instagram, probably a new Twitter. Just so y'all can follow me and stay tuned into the wave journey. I'm about to have like the perfect 360 vibe. Probably like February, March. Probably be ready to go to war with these niggas, bro. I'm about to make this shit look real light, ain't gonna hold you. But, you know, stay in, stay tuned. And I'm finna go crazy with the waves, for real. I'm gonna put the Instagram and all that probably in the description. So y'all go follow me, and, you know, hopefully as time progresses, I'm gonna come out with like brushes, merch, all that other stuff, you know. Do-rags, you know, we gotta go crazy, so just stay tuned. And I might do like beard shit too for all the beard gangs out there, like for skincare type stuff. There's so much shit to talk about, like so much shit I can come up with. So, you know, who knows, you know, just stay tuned and make sure you follow me and subscribe to my channel, because I'm really him, respectfully.
Be the fuck with him, I go get a poncho. And all I gotta do is put a little grease in my hair. And when I step inside the building, niggas know that I'm here.